Hi, I'm Jill Vale, owner and designated broker at Windermere, Stanley and Camano, and I'm here to share with you our Stanley and Camano October 2023 market insights. On Camano Island in the month of October, our average sales price was $751,744. 54 active listings at the end of October, and 271 whole homes sold year to date. And we're still holding close to that just over a month average days on market, and list to sales price ratio at the time that they sold is still holding darn close to that 100% that we're hoping for. And in Stanwood, our average sales price is a little bit lower at $679, $198, but close to the same with 58 active listings at the end of October and 288 homes sold year to date. And again, holding close to that just over a month average days on market of the homes sold in the month of October. 100% list to sales price ratio. So good news, we're listing at the right number, just got to find that buyer. Of the 271 homes sold year to date in 2023, this is how it breaks down on a pie chart. And you can see the bulk of the Camano homes are selling basically probably between 5 and 800. We're seeing a lot there, so that's kind of the sweet spot in terms of list price. And in Stanwood, it's a little bit lower in that you're closer. Well, I guess the bulk of them are still between $500,000 and $800,000. So definitely seeing the majority of our activity in those ranges in both markets. The average sales price compared to last year at the same time, so October of 2022 versus 2023, we are down by 7% in Camano and 6% in Stanwood. And the 10-year average sales price trend, if you look at Camano and Stanwood, is starting to level off a little bit as that drop in the average sales price goes up a little bit. But we're still seeing it just a little bit lower than it was last year, as the statistics are indicating. On Camano Island in October, we had 23 new listings, 18 pendings, 19 solds, all of which is significantly down from the same time last year in October. So that is resulting in we've got 3 months of inventory. So we're still pretty firmly in a seller's market, but more so in Stanwood because we've only got 1.8 months of inventory. Pendings and solds both went up slightly from the same time last year, while new listings decreased by 24%. So you can see why our months of inventory is decreasing by virtue of that. Market share in the rolling 12 months, Windermere, we are just about 33% of the market, so a third of the market on Camano Island. And then Windermere's got about 20% of the market share, almost just short of it, in Stanwood. October of 2023, in the past months, the purchasing power of potential homebuyers has weakened further with rising interest rates and a continued lack of inventory, creating a slowdown in market activity. Active listings in our combined market have remained fairly steady over the past 6 months, with just over 100 homes in our combined markets. At the same time, the number of listings sold has decreased by roughly 20%. According to Lawrence Yun, the chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, the interest rate rises should be over. The Fed will have to consider cutting interest rates seriously, and mortgage rates look to head towards the 7% range in a few months and into the 6% range by the spring of 2024. And we're seeing evidence of this prediction already in our markets as rates have dropped in the past few weeks to the mid 7% range currently. New listings in the month of October, we had 45 sellers put their homes up for sale, and there were 22 new listings in Stanwood, 23 on Camano Island. This is the lowest that we have seen in 9 months, and it's about 25% lower than the same time last year. Pending sales, the number of homes going under contract in October is up slightly since last year. Our 2 zip codes saw 42 homes find their buyers this past month, different from 2022 when we only had 36. Properties sold, we've had 50 homes close and sell in the month of October, the same as last month. And the sales price, the average sales price that we already looked at of properties sold in Stanwood and Camano are down slightly less than 0.5% from the previous month, but continue to hold above 700,000 cumulatively. They are 676, 198 in Stanwood and 751, 744 on Camino Island. Sellers, predictions are that more sellers will be bringing their homes on the market as pent-up sellers are motivated by life changes make it necessary to move. They cannot wait any longer. This means more competition if you wait longer to list your home for sale. Align yourself with a local agent and get your home on the market now while inventories are still low. Buyers, buying a home still remains one of the best investments available. Historically, home values continue to increase if held for 5 or more years. As rates continue to the predicted decline, this might be a good time to home shop before rates fall enough for pent-up demand to flood the market, driving prices upward further. At Windermere, our reaction to the local market, dedication to the community, and commitment to our trade is why we help our clients buy and sell more real estate in Stanwood and Camino Island than any other company, because we're all in for you. Thank you very much.